Welcome back to class. So today we are going to be treating the periodic table. I'm going to define periodic table, explain it in detail. I'm going to simplify it in a manner that you understand, even if you are not good at chemistry or you don't like chemistry because of one thing or the other. You'll fall in love with it, be able to understand it. If you also follow the sequence at which I'm teaching, the sequence I'm teaching this subject, you'll be able to understand chemistry, you'll be able to appreciate it very well, understand it better. And this video is not just for people who are in secondary school, it's also for those who are already in university but do not and offering chemistry, offering subjects that has to do with chemistry but are not good at with chemistry. To really help you very well. And for all those who are also in love with chemistry when they were in school, so they will reminisce on what they were doing then and also follow up to. And also it's for those who are not privileged to have somebody who is going to take them well while you're in secondary school. And this video is also for you. Be able to learn those things we are not privileged to learn earlier. And also, you notice that in my previous videos I have been hammering on periodic table. The reason is not far-fetched. The reason is because it is the very basic of chemistry and the essence of chemistry. That is where all the whole elements are. And those elements are what make up your matter. In fact, what I'm wearing now is clothes, right? It is matter. Everything I'm wearing here is matter. This marker is matter. My phone, my gadgets is matter. Are matters. What you have here now is matter, right? But then they are processed already. They are made up of the elements we have in the periodic table. So now, without much ado, I'm going to explain what's periodic and define periodic table, explain it, and also draw the first 20 elements on the board for us. So, what is periodic table? Periodic table is the table that contains elements in the order of increasing atomic number. I'll repeat again. Periodic table is the table that contains elements in their order of increasing atomic number. What it simply means is that if you are drawing a periodic table, hydrogen comes first, followed by helium, lithium. So you follow it in that order. You don't jump to the next one. You don't jump from 1 to 6 or from 2 to 4. You follow it from 1, 2, 3 till you get to your till you get to your 20th one, right? So now let me draw the first 20 elements for us. So have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, please, if you have not watched my video where I explained electronic configuration, please, it is important that you go and learn, watch that video, so that you'll be able to appreciate. It is when you watch that video, you'll be able to appreciate the periodic table. So what I'm doing will become easier for you. And also, if you have not watched the video on the first 20 elements, it is also very, very important because those are the elements we are going to be repeating here. All right? So let's go. So if you count these boxes here, you know that there are 20. This is 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 16. Plus 2, that is 18. Plus another 2, that is 20. Okay? Now, remember that we're talking about the first 20 elements here. Please, they are the actinides, the lactinides are the middle here. We're not dealing with them. We just want to do the first 20 elements for the sake of this video and so that you'll be able to understand easily. So, this is hydrogen. This is helium. Now, if you go to back to the video where I did the electronic configuration, where I mentioned that the first one will take what? 2 electrons, the first shell. This is the hydrogen helium. Okay? Don't worry, as time goes on, you understand better. So we have helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon. So this is hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and calcium. These are the first 20 elements, right? Now, it is easy. Do not be surprised how I just fill them in easily like that. You too can also do the same thing if you understand the concept. Now, I mentioned that the first shell takes what? 2 electrons. If I claim this electron here, this is hydrogen because hydrogen has only 1 electron. Okay? Those electrons are I also mentioned if you have not watched the video where I talked about the constituents of an atom, you also go and watch it too. I mentioned that the number of proton, atomic number Z is equal to the number of proton. And I also mentioned that proton is also equal to what? Number of electron. And I stated the reason there. Okay, now the proton, since proton is equal to number of electrons, that means any atom that has 1 electron, that is also the number of proton, right? Having said that, let's go. Hydrogen has 1 electron, and that's why hydrogen comes first in the periodic table. Okay? Now, second one is what? If you have another one again, if you have this structure, I'm not talking about helium because helium is the second one. Then, if you have another one here, lithium, that is third one, that is 1, 2, 3. Let's look at it 1, 2, 3. Can you now see that it follows the definition of the periodic table where it says periodic table is the table that contains elements arranged in their order of increasing atomic number, right? This is hydrogen, helium, lithium. If you draw another one again, that is beryllium, which is the fourth one, it becomes 4 electrons. If you draw another one again, it becomes 5 electrons. And this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth element in the periodic table. I believe I've been able to explain periodic table in the way you will be able to understand easily. Or should I continue? Okay, let me give you one again. Another one again. If you continue to draw that, let's get to sodium. Now, sodium is number 11 here. The atomic number is 11. Let's count. Should you are doubting me, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm right? So it should also have 11 electrons. This is 10 electrons here. It should have 11 electrons. Can you see that? So please go back to the video where I explained electronic configuration. You'll be able to appreciate this very well. If you watch my video where I talked about the first 20 elements, you'll also be able to arrange those elements here in the periodic table. I believe this video has helped you. Now, in the next video, I will be talking about the characteristics or the properties of the periodic table. Please, if you like this video and you know that this video has helped you, kindly share to your friends, share to your well-wishers, share to everyone so that you go viral. And also, kindly help me subscribe. Thank you.